Today we're going to be drawing a shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. So today what you're going to need is a placemat, paper, and something to draw with. So first off, we're going to be drawing a 3-leafed clover. So first, draw an almost circle, but leave the bottom not done, like this. Then draw the same thing on the other side, on both sides. Then bring it in. Then bring your stalk out. Ta-da! How simple was that? Very simple. Then we can color it. A simple shamrock. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! 100 Crayola super tip point markers. I wonder, is there an E at the end of subscribe? Ah well. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and like this video. Bye-bye!